What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. I hope you guys are staying green. So today I just wanted to show you guys a tutorial method on how to use TD Ameritrade mobile app platform. If you guys are new investors, this app could be extremely confusing. So I just want to make this video to help you guys out. So all you guys have to do is, let's just start out with paper money so we can get some practice in there. Paper money is just fake money that we can use to trade and buy shares. So we can just practice on the site before we start heading into live trading. So all you guys have to do is click on the orange one. Make sure you click on that. If you guys do not have an account, make sure to make an account and then sign in and click login. So once you guys sign in, you guys start up on the watch list page. What that means is that this is the watch list you guys are checking out for companies. For example, this should be completely blank. You guys should not have this. That was an accident. All you guys have to do is we're going to start and practice with Ford. So the ticker symbol with Ford is just F. So all you guys have to do is type in F. And the first thing that pops up should be Ford Motor. Go ahead and click on that for me. And once we got Ford Motor, it shows us a beautiful chart and a beautiful graph. Usually, I think you guys have the 1 day 30-minute chart and you guys do not have the RSI. I'll show you guys how to add that right now. So all you guys have to do, I'm going to go back to what you guys have it on. It should be set at 1 day, 1 minute. And if not, it should be 1 day or 1 minute or something like that. All you guys have to do, or to change that, is to add them over here. So let's go ahead and click on something we all have, 5 days, 15 minutes. I have custom one set just because I like that. So let's go ahead and click on 5 days, 15 minutes. Once we go ahead and click on that, it gives us this beautiful chart, but somehow I have this purple chart on the bottom. What that means is that it tells me what's a good place to enter, the low points or the high points. So it's telling me that it's in an average point right now to buy a share of Ford. It's right now in the middle. So that's a good thing to have, good thing to own. So I'm going to show you guys how to add that. All you guys have to do is just click on this help bar. Once you guys do that, you guys should see a bunch of these pictures up there. All you guys have to do is just click on the flask one. It's the second one down. Once you guys click on that, I want you guys to go ahead and type in RSI. RSI here. And it should be the first one up there. I want you to go ahead and click plus on that. I already have one up here, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove it. You guys should just leave it. You guys only have one up here, so that's fine. Just go ahead and click done. And once you guys get that, you guys should see a purple graph on the bottom of your page. So that's an indicator that you guys can start using. Super helpful stuff. You guys should start using those indicators if you guys are day trading, swing trading, or long-term investing. Anyway, it's very helpful to have. So now that we know the time frames of our chart, let's figure out what's saying with the graph. So what this means is that this is a 5-day, 15-minute chart, which means that this company has been trading for 5 days, and it shows us the value of that company throughout those 5 days. And what that 15 minutes means is that each candlestick is composed of 15 minutes time of value. So the price action went up and down and closed in 15 minutes. All of those candlesticks, which may be extremely small, but they're definitely there. So once you guys do that, I want you guys to go ahead and click on this question mark again, and go ahead and click on these drawings. So once we click on these drawings, that means that we're able to draw on our graphs. Let's go ahead and click new drawing, and let's go ahead and click let's say trend line. It's the first one on the left hand side. Once we go ahead and click on trend line, it says here tap to start drawing. There are 2 points to start drawing. So what this means, the reason why it's great to start drawing on our charts, which it gives us indicators. So how to use support and resistance lines. If you guys do not know how to use support and resistance lines, I'll show you guys in my other videos how to do that, how to set them up. I'm just going to draw one right now to show you guys how to use it. So I added a point from my first point right there to down here. And I'm going to create a support line on the bottom. It's not the best support and resistance lines, but they're definitely there. It shows us that the values are channeling. And that's how you create support and resistance lines. It's much easier on the computer because it's more accurate. This is just my fingers, so it's kind of a support line did it pretty bad. And if you guys are still unsure, go check out my video. I'll show you guys how to do that. And if you guys want to go ahead and click on the news of the company, it tells us the news of the company and everything that's going on. So if you guys are extremely interested in the company that you own shares in, all you guys have to do is click on news and start reading some of these articles. Some of them have some really good stuff. So, go ahead, click on that and see what's going on there. We're just going to go ahead and skip options because I feel like that's a little bit too much. If you guys do want to go check them out, go check them out yourselves. I feel like it's a little bit too much for a new investor. So let's go ahead and just click on profile. It gives us the market capitalization of Ford, how much Ford is owned. For example, it says, I didn't even know this, that Ford in the Middle East was only 1.3%, which is absolutely crazy. I didn't even know that. So you can learn some new things from there, which is super cool, super nice. So let's go ahead and back out and head over to trade. So what trade means is that we can buy and sell orders. So what's perfect about this is that when market hours are open, we can sell a trade or buy a trade. Let's just leave that on buy, and we can change it to limit orders. We can change it to stop orders, and all that good stuff. Let's just go ahead and leave it on limit orders. I show you guys how to use all these types of orders on my videos, so if you guys are confused by them, go check out my channel. I also have another video on that, and show you guys how much quantity you want. You know what, I'm feeling a little bit tipsy today. I want 200 shares of the quantity. If you guys want something else, you guys can go ahead and click on 209 shares. So let's just change it up, 209 shares, and our limit order is going to be at $4.96. So what that means is that I'm only willing to pay $4.96 for a share of Ford. So that's perfect right there. I'm just going to leave it at that. And I'm just going to leave our order on day and margin. This is account. Of course, that's fine. Just leave it at that. Little description saying that, are you willing to buy 209 shares of Ford at $4 or better? Yeah, just go ahead, click confirm. Order has been placed. Look at that, guys. Everything's set. And go ahead and click on save order. So once you go ahead and click save order, our order should be saved right there. I made another order right there on accident, so you guys should only have one. And what's super neat is that it actually switches to our orders page. So let's go ahead and check out what it means. So we click on working orders. That means orders that's currently being worked on. Order history can be found. Filled orders, that means orders that have already been fulfilled. We go ahead and click cancel. Orders that maybe did not make it through, and we go ahead and click on all. This is all the orders that we've ever had. And once you guys fulfill your orders, it should say here that your order has been fulfilled and you now own this many shares. You know, would you like to yada 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 sell it? We're like yes, no, whatever, whatnot. And it also tells you how much money you have in your account. It says here I have $200,000. If you guys can just change that up if you'd like. It's up to you guys. I just put 200,000 for fun. So that's how you buy and sell shares. And let's just go ahead and click on an alerts tab. This is for notifications. Like let's say, for example, you're in a class and you get a notification saying that your order has been fulfilled. What that means is that our order should be fulfilled. So as our order is here, it should be fulfilled, and it goes up on our notification saying active. It means a triggered order. Triggered order will pop up here and tell you guys that your order has been fulfilled or if your order has been canceled. So, and if you guys want to change any settings, add any things, there's a bunch of columns down here that you guys can add. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please smash that like button. I do apologize if I didn't go over something. I just wanted to make this video super quick. If you guys could, please let me know in the comments if I could answer any of your questions. I hope you guys stay green, and peace out.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew.